everybody, it's Liliana Rowena, and what a turn of events! I'm in cosplay today! I haven't made a cosplay video for this channel in quite a long time, and today I want to talk about some Christmas content ideas for Instagram or TikTok, or even here. Just simple stuff you can do to try to make your cosplay content a bit more on theme for the holidays, since I myself am trying to be more themed this year. My first tip is just get in front of your Christmas tree. It looks nice. Christmas trees are lovely. For all I know, they had a Christmas tree. Ray had a Christmas tree, quite possibly, who knows? Another thing for certain characters is just kind of putting a Santa hat on. However, I find trying to find the Santa hat that still goes with the color scheme looks best. I used the red Santa hat in a photo that I made of Toga earlier this month, and trying to still kind of maintain some internal logic can be nice, but not necessary. Especially with characters like Ray that I'm wearing. Ray has now been on canned coffee. If I want to stick a Santa hat on her head, it's probably not going to break character continuity that much, because the company itself does not seem to care all that much. Another one, although sadly there's not snow outside where I live yet, you can just go outside for your photos. Just get in the snow when I get Snow Miku together, which I think I might do a closet. I'm debating whether I want to do a closet cosplay or actually make it, but making it seems like that would be quite the turnaround for a cosplay I'd want to actually get to wear this month, so it's a pretty complicated one. Another fun holiday things that you can do is just redo their costumes, or just use your wig and some creativity. Go find clothing you think they might wear. I think the character I have on right now is pretty difficult, but with Princess Peach, for example, I have a lot of pink snow gear. So if I wanted to put Peach in pink snow gear, it would be pretty believable. If I wanted to put a red sweater on Toga because it matches her color theme instead of her usual top, I could do that. If I wanted to, Ray, I think snowflakes, snowflake motifs would look really good with Ray because she has a blue and white color design. So you could maybe put snowflake clips in her hair. I haven't done that, but I really like that idea. Edit photos with her to involve snowflakes, just general snow things. Another thing you can do is also take pictures of them doing winter activities. You could do one of your characters drinking hot cocoa, or knitting, or just anything that seems like a fun winter activity. There's so many options. You could do holding presents, you could do wrapping presents. There's just a whole world out there for you to explore, and stuff that I'm trying to work on too. I want to bring cosplay back to this channel. It's been separated for a little while now because I kind of had fears about mixing my two interests, but running two channels just got to be too overwhelming. And you know what? I like both, so I want to share both. And I feel really cute in Ray. This is actually the first time I've been able to put the bodysuit on since I bought it, so it just means a lot to me that I got to film my first cosplay video in a long time in this cosplay. Oh my goodness. Let me think, do I have any other holiday ideas? You could do holiday skits. I haven't really tried with skit writing on my channel or my TikTok because I'm scared and a baby and unsure about how to go with it. But you could probably write tons of fun holiday skits. I've considered writing some League of Villain holiday skits since I'm very familiar with the source material for Toga. And I just think that could be a lot of fun. Yeah, I think that's everything that I have for today. This was a short, quick video with just a few ideas if you're just looking around. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Liliana Rowena,